Good evening. This is Alicia with Travel with Alicia Nichol. Today I bring another tour to you. This is the half-day Emerald Cave Kayak Tour with optional hotel pickup. So this is approximately 5 to 6 hours. As I stated, pickup is offered. There are group discounts available, and you will receive a mobile ticket. I have about 11 or 12 images that'll just show you parts of the tour. So experience the serenity of Emerald Cave and a picturesque natural attraction on the Colorado River. The kayaking tour takes a small group of maximum 13 people, paddled up the river with a guide, stop for snacks and swimming along the way. Round trip hotel transport can be selected as an option from Las Vegas, or you can make your way to the starting point by rental car in Willow Beach, Arizona. So, kayaking on the Colorado River follows a gentle section of the Emerald Cave. River guide ensures the safety of a small group limited to 13 paddlers. Kayak paddle, safety gear, snacks, and bottled water are provided to the guests. And again, transport can be provided from Las Vegas hotels to Willow Beach Marina if needed. So, some of the things that are included is the kayak tour in single, one person or tandem, two-person kayaks, national park entrance fees, snacks, bottled water, and safety equipment. So the itinerary is Willow Beach Marina, Colorado River, and Emerald Cove. The Willow Beach Marina is about 4 hours. The Colorado River, you just pass by that, and the Emerald Cove is about 30 minutes. And this is an ongoing tour that can be booked. And I do want to make clear at the end, this is up to a maximum of 13 people. So I will have, it is in Las Vegas, of course. I will have a link to where you can click if you decide you want to purchase it. I'll also include my booking information just in case you want to go through the travel agent. Either way, I'm still your agent, so any issues you have, my information will be there for you to reach out to me. And that's all for tonight. Thank you. Thank you for listening.